Hello, welcome to the OVM tutorial series. My name is Erwin Maswardi. I'm going to show you how to run an OVM codes in Windows using Makefile. I know most of the verification engineers they usually work in Linux environment when they verify an ASIC or system on chip chips. Usually they use Makefile to automate the process. One day the manager asked them to run in Windows. Then they started to get confused because they know that Windows doesn't support Makefile. So what is the solution for this one? It's very straightforward actually. There are three ways. Okay, you can use Microsoft Visual Studio because it provides NMake. So this is a Makefile version of the Microsoft Visual Studio. Of course, you need to download this software first. And the second way is by using a Sequin. So Sequin is a Unix-like environment for Windows. Because this is a Unix environment, automatically it has the Makefile facilities. And the third one, which is in my opinion is the easiest one, is to use the free version from GNU Win32. So actually it provides a native port for Windows. The difference with the Sequin is it doesn't require a full-time and runtime environment. So it is very lightweight. So we are going to use the third method here. Right. We begin by downloading the software from the website. So you go to this GNU Win32 website. I'll show you. Okay, so go to this website and then download the software. You can click from here or there. Right. Oops, sorry. I forgot to turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, now we try it again. Right. So we are going to download the Mac 3.18.executable here. Okay, once it is downloaded, then we can run it again. You know, this is the second time I downloaded this. It's okay. So just double click and then right, next, accept the agreement. Okay, choose the directory where you want to install the program. Okay, next, and install. Finish. So easy, right? Once you finish installing the software, don't forget to modify the setup environments. Okay, so you need to modify the path variable in system variables so that the Windows is able to find Makefile when you type make in the command prompt. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, we go to the control panel, right, and then go to System, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables. Find the path variable in under System Variables here, and then click Edit. See, already put here when the last time I installed the software. Okay, so it must match the location of the Makefile, right? So because it is already there, then when we type in a command prompt, make, for example, so it able to find the Mac application, but of course couldn't find the target because we haven't have the Makefile script yet. Okay, what we are going to do next is to create a Makefile script. All right. So this is an example of a script to compile and run a test bench using Mentor Questa. Right. So basically, this script consists of 4 parts: clean, compile, simulate, and view. So clean is very easy. Means you remove the unwanted files here. Okay, and then compile in Mentor Questa consists of the creating the library that we call work. Okay, and then compile the source code. So we have 4 source code here: the OVM package .sv, duttb.sv, and ut.sv. And then don't forget to include the path to the OVM package. All right, so if there is a inclusion inside these 3 files, it will be able to find it under this directory. Okay, and then after that, you run the simulation. Once you finish, you can view the simulation, the waveform, right? So you type Makefile, then the waveform will pop up. Okay, but before we run this thing, actually we need to install the OVM kits first, right? So these OVM kits will be used when we want to construct our test bench environment using OVM methodology. All right, if you don't want to create if you don't want to construct the test bench using the OVM methodology, then you don't need this one. Okay, but I'll show you how. Okay, first you can download the OVM kit from this website here, verificationacademy.com. Okay, right. UVM is a continuation of OVM, right? So with some improvements. So it's still undergoing development for UVM, but OVM is already stopped there, 2.1.2. But this is already good enough actually. If you want, if you start doing work with OVM, then you can start with this, right? Okay, let's say we downloaded this OVM 2.1.2. We double click here and then click here to download it, right? So it's still running. Okay, once it's done, actually you can extract this to the specified location. So in my case, right, I extracted into this location. Okay, C OVM 2.1.2. It's up to you actually. Okay, right, that's all. Okay, now let's try compiling our test bench. Okay, so I already created a test bench, simple test bench, and a simple design for test. We go to UVM. I already create this directory, and I think it should be under test. Yes, and then you go to the memory location, right? So we do make clean first. So we'll clean all the unwanted files and then make com. See? It will create the library work, and after that compile the codes. Compiling package OVM package, compiling module UTTB, and compiling module UT. It's already compiled. What next? We simulate it. Make sim. So the simulation is running now. Okay. You can see that it's running because you can see the message here: finish reading channel 0, channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. Right, if you're happy with this, then we've done. But if you want to observe the signals, then we can further go with the Makefile here. Okay, Makefile. Add to waveform selected signals. Right, so we can see that the signals are toggling here. Right, so you can see it's very easy actually to compile and run the simulation under Windows using a Makefile. Close this one again. Alright, so make sure, because in this example I use a Questa sim, a mental Questa sim. Then if you want to use that file, that program, then you need to install the application into your computer, and make sure you modify the environment variables as well. So when you type Makefile, for example, Makecom, it will be able to find the Philip application vlog. If you run Makefile, then it will able to find the vsim. Okay, but if you don't have a mental Questa sim installed in your computer, so you won't be able to execute this command. But if you use different simulators, such as from Cadence or from Synopsys, right, then you modify these commands accordingly. Right, okay, that's all for today. Next time I'm going to show you how to create system Verilog test benches, but we need to learn the object-oriented way first. Hopefully this presentation will help you at least to run a simple test bench in Windows. Thank you very much. See you later and bye.